possession, Rocco, number 13. Saint Rocco. Lingaya, number 21, setting up. Finds number, Diaz, superstar ng Saint Rocco. Airball ang tira. Rebound ng malaking mama. Kay Nico. Malakas, recovered. Basket yan. Kay number 2. And si number 13, nalapitan. Pulls the 3. One go. Rebound ni number 2. Steal by number 13. Nalapitan. Drop pass to Diaz. Yes, sir. And si number 7, number 2 setting up. Inbound to number 8 to number 6. Finds Migo. Basket. Number 0. Migo Carta. And si number 21, si number 6, Diaz, hesitates, penetrates, finds number 30, fakes, step back 3, airball. Number 7 to number 8. Number 8 to number 16, pulls a 3, recovered number 2, yes sir. And it's number 21. Number 21, cooking. Finds number 13. Number 6. Pulls the 3. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. To number 16. Laking manga. Penetrates. One go. Recovered. Miko pa rin. Walang bola. Who's foul up? Foul number 6. Yes, first personal foul. Nico in the line. Wala yan. Second one, go, recovered. Out of bounds. Same ball, possession. Yellow's ball. Number 16 by the ball 2. Number 0. Forcing the offense, malakas. Number 8, perimeter jumper. Good block shot. Wala. Nakuha pa rin ng number 6. And a steal. Number 6 steal. Number 6 penetrates. Drives. And one. Basketball. Foul number 11. Jose Castillo. Yes, sir. Number 21, number 13. That's number 21, number 6. Number 6 and 21. Pulls and 3. Short, recovered. Number 13. Fakes. Penetrates in the paint. Forcing the offense. One go. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 13 inbounded the ball to number 6, Diaz. Setting up the play, 10 seconds to shoot. Diaz still in the paint. Almost the ball, recovered. 6 seconds. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 6, Diaz pulls. Shot clock violation. Number 0 o number 6. Number 0, number 6, penetrates, basket, number 6. Number 13, finds number 21, in the paint, jumper, yes sir. Answer natin, 4-11. Number 16, pulls a 3, one go, out of bounds.
Saan ba ito? Hindi lang.
Wala nang platoon, idol ha, kahit sino na. Wala nang platoon. Alright. Ayun si number 21, coming up Lingaya, finds number 6, Diaz, pulls a 3, short. Rebound number 2. na walang bola sa indoor possession. Yellow's ball. And number 16, number 6, setting up, finds number 2. Pulls, Wonder, rebound by Diaz. Diaz, threading the offense. And there is a foul. Foul number 0. Number 0, first personal foul. Second team foul for the team Habard. Number 13. Out of bounds. Yellow's ball. Habard setting up number 6. Penetrates. Basket and one. Number 6. All number 8. Number 8, first personal foul. Number 6 in the line for his bonus. Okay. 13, 4. This is number 21. Finds number 13. Number 13 spins, blitz, basket. Number 13. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Number 0, forcing. Goes to 3, 1 goal. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Yes, sir! This is number 6. Number 6, number 0 to number 8. Number 8 penetrates. Finds number 2. Short. Recovered. Number 2. Yeah, rebound by number 0. Yes, sir! Two minutes and 10 seconds left. Number 21. Yes, setting up. Hesitates. Penetrates. Pass to. Recovered. Number 8. Pass to Diaz. Short. Rebound. Number 16. Number 16 and a steal by number 21. Number 21 to number 6. Diaz. Penetrates. Pinoy step. Basket and one. Foul number 6. Number 6, first personal foul. Third team foul.
Sub down.
Substitution. Diaz in the line. Basket is good. Score natin, 15-11. The Blue are down by 4 points. Ngayon is number 8. Number 16, out of bounds. Number 8. 8-meter jumper, basket, number 8. Kasi number 30, Malapitan, pulls the 3. Short, rebound, number 8. Basket! Time out! Ay, wala pa. Na-inbound tayo doon. Mamaya na.
Time out ba kayo? Time out?
Ito ba? Nico in the bay. Pass to, out of bounds. Time out, Hampard.
Kasi lalaki mo na yung bila.
Nakaline up lahat kasi may uniform kasi sila lahat eh. Wala tayong contest dyan.
Hindi nakaline up. Sana nagpalaro natin kami kung alam namin.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi natin matapos.
Dapat iba may line up.
Nandun. Pero titingnan natin yan. Nandito naman tayo.
Kasi, di ba kapag gano'n nagpapalaro?
Ano yun? I-check natin yan.
May mga players pa ba kayo darating? Yan lang kayo.
Sa youth ba yan? Ang dami naman dun sa youth, di ba?
Marami talagang player.
Oo, marami. Kanino ba?
Dahil pera yun eh. Yung low wala eh.
Nanonood pa sila eh. Ano pa nila yata?
Number 21. Number 6, Diaz. Sa apat ang kalabangan, Diaz. Rejected. Next, number 30. Number 30. Pinasa, balik kay number 30 to number 50. 4-meter jumper in the paint. Basket, number 30.
15.
Number 13. Penetrates. Traveling violation. Five seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Score natin 13-19 in favor of the yellow.
Kung sabi pag naalala, ngayon na, ganyan Grehel, buwan. Iba yung kapilitin niya.
Ha?
Iba yung kapilitin niya. Ano sa inyo? Sila pa yung rin master eh.
Paano nyo yung pagkawa ng talo dito? Basta pagkasali mo kayo sila, talo sila master.
Ay, half part. Miko, halika na, Miko. Miko. Miko kasi nagkano sila,
Nagko-contest sila. May mga bagong mukha ka daw. Yung mga players mo ba? Hindi. Yung mga players mo is nandun lahat. Yung mga lalaro ngayon nandun sa listahan na pinasa mo.
Ongoing kasi nalaraan ito.
Oo nga. Hindi yung pinasa mong list kompleto. Yung ba yung lalaro?
Yung isa namin, ngayon lang naglaro, tsaka yung dalawa pa.
Pero nandun sa listahan ha.
Basta nandun sa listahan kasi nag
Yung ano nila eh, nalaraan nila.
Kasi doon natin titignan kasi nagre-reklamo sila.
Kasi ang gawin na yung nalaraan nila, para sa binasa.
Kailangan kasi yung sinubmit mo is yun yung maglalaro. Pero kung wala sa list, magkakaroon ng technical yun.
Ba't yung huli namin nakalaban?
Ang mga...
Rep! Asan si Rep? Ito. Kasi may mga players mangyayari kasi niyan, idol. Kung hindi siya, halimbawa yung pinalaro mo ngayon na bago, kung ilan yung points niya, tapos nalaman na wala dun sa list, ililes yung points. Okay? Ililes mo yung points. Oo.
pupunta sa kabila.
Ililes yun. Kung wala siya sa listahan,
Lahat sa listahan. Yung mask eh.
kung wala siya sa listahan,
Walang technical, walang bawas.
wala nang mas mo.
Kahit na. May nakalaban pa rin namin yung untikan na kami matalo.
Kaso wala.
Buti sana yung technical.
Kasi wala na sila. Hindi, ang pinag-uusapan natin yung players.
So, ganun na yung... Oh, okay, sige. Okay, sige. So, okay na. Yung mga players...
Concern lang, concern.
Oh.
Ano yung papalaroin pa rin? Bakit?
Naglalaro sila pero ite-technical. Si-check kasi sa listahan. May master list kasi.
Di ba dapat kapag naprotesta na? Kasi ang dapat, di ba? Kahit sa liga, kahit sabihin natin barangay ng liga. Once na nagpalaro ka, hindi na pala.
Hindi, may master list kasi yan. Titignan natin doon. Yun na yun. Yun na yung susundin natin, okay? So, ibabasa natin dun sa final list na sinend nila kung ano yung mga pangalan na nandito, kung magtugma, okay? Kung hindi, kung sino yung nakashoot, ililes natin, kung sakali, ha? Ganun na lang mangyayari.
Ha?
Sige na, wala na tayong oras. Idol, sino ba yung... Wait lang. Si Diaz. Diga, para ganito na lang gawin natin para wala nang
Kasi marami naman
minus,
sila
ha? Marami naman kayong players. Ituro mo ngayon bago dyan na hindi nyo nakalaro. Ituro nyo na lang. Hindi na natin palaruin. Turo mo. Sino number? Number. Kilala nyo man yung mga mukha, yung bagong mukha. Diba naglaban na kayo nakaraan? Yun yung mga bagong mukha dyan. Oo. Ha? Number 30, sige. Number 30, huwag ka na maglaro, idol. Pinino-protest na kanila eh. Pinino-protest ka siya eh. Bayad yan. Ano pilyado? Sige, check natin. Ano pilyado? Sige. Ano pilyado mga idol? Basta naka-line up yan ha.
Sige. Wala namang problema basta nasa lineup. Basta Reskitado. Sige.
Reskitado.
Sulat mo dito eh.
Reskitado. Reskitado number 30 ah. Okay.
Sulat mo dito.
Deskitado. Ito, deskitado. Sige. Idol, isa lang naman pino-protesta nyo, deskitado. Okay? Sino pa? Ha? Number 15, anong pangalan? Akin na yung number mo. Pangalan. Sige. Okay lang, sige. Pangalan. Cristobal? Okay. Sige, dalawa pino-protesta nyo. Kung wala ito sa listahan, ipabawas sa points.
Wala pa
Sa
sa
master list, yung sinabit mo sa akin. Okay? Okay na, sige. Okay, sige. Okay na. At least, fair naman. Tatas lang sa blue. Kasi, sige na, wala. Tapos na yung oras natin. Lalaro pa rin sila, pero ipabawas na lang. Oo. Kung hindi naka-line up, ipabawas.
Naka-line up yan, counted yan.
And now half part, number 20. Manuel setting up, number 1. Prize number 9 to number 30. Number 1, throws a 3, short, recovered, number 15. Sablay. Nakuha ng number 21. Basket, number 21. Number 30 to number 1. Number 1 to number 20. Number 20. Sablay. Nakuha number 13 yan. Number 13. France number 21. Basket. Number 21. Ang score natin. 17-19. Gumawa sa dalawang kalabangan ng yellow. Pero si number 1. Fates. Later shot. Rondo. Rebound by Diaz. Now. Pass number. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Number 15 ang ikot. Recovered. Number 20 to number 9. Sablay. Nakuha ni number 6. Number 21. Number 21. Number 6. Diaz. Pulls a 3. Short ang tira. Ayan si number 1. Number 1. Last number 30. Full-meter jumper. Wala. Nakuha na number 13 yan. Number 13. Goes to number 4. Penetrates. Malakas ang tira. Nahulog ng kapwa niya number 1. Moving the ball. Number 1 still. Black pass to number 20. Basket. Number 20. And score. 21-17. Henderson number 6 hesitates. Penetrates. Pass number 21. Throws a 3. Short. Rebound by Hampart. Hampart. Steal by number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 6. Out of bounds. Same ball possession, substitution. Penetrates, number 13. Basket is good, number 13. 21-19. Number 30 pulls the three. Short lang ang tira. Out of bounds, same ball possession. Bola ng half court. As in number 1 to number 30. Number 1 takes. Pass to number. And a steal by number 30. Number 30. And number 6. Number 6 to number 21. Number 21. Number 21. Mugre. Easy basket. Number 1. Ang score natin, 23-19. Tumingit na ang halamangan. Kasi number 21, fakes, drop pass, number 13. Alikay. Number 6, recovered. Check lock, down to 4. Forcing the offense, basket, number 13. 23-21, baba sa dalawang halamangan. And a steal by the blue team. And there's a foul committed by number 1. Number 1, first personal foul.
Bakit ganun?
Sap.
Pumasok yung dalawa.
Makalawasan tayo.
Pangalawang tira. First one is good for 21. Pag pumasok kayo doon, pasok na kayo. Second free throw, basket, substitution.
Deadlock tayo.
Deadlock na tayo sa 23. 23 all na.
Lamang sa bilis ng blue. Pero sa height, sa yellow eh. Lalaki eh. Kaya sa gasaan.
Number 30. Number 20. Setting up the play. Pass number 9. Sablay. Nakuha ni number 13 yan. Number 13. Number 13 seal. Lumipad. Basket! James Favor. 25-23. Number 30. Floater shot. Wala. Nakuha ni number 6.
Timer tayo.
Substitution. Foul number 30. Number 30 is foul substitution. Kasi number 21, setting up, finds number 13, back to number 21. Elarama. Yes, short ang tira, kuha na. Half part yan, half part, number 0. Nico, steal. And there's a foul. Foul number 0, Nico. Number 0, second personal foul. 2 minutes and 26 seconds left. Kasi number 6. Number 6, number 21. Number 14. Pass to number 13. Rejected. Out of bounds. Same ball. Time out. Saint Rocco. Saint Rocco, meron pa kayong dalawang time out. Ang half court, meron pang 3.
Okay, play free master. Bigay na lahat.
Pag sa third na.
Lasing na.
Alright, back to the ball game. Ang score natin, 25-23 in favor of the blue team, Saint Rocco. Saint Rojo. Number 13 inbounded the ball. To number 14, Heba. Out of bounds, same ball.
Shot clock down to 7.
7 seconds to shoot. Number 13, grab pass to number 14, back to number 13, pulls. In and out, rebound to number 13. Steal, pass to number 13. Number 13, sidestep. There's a foul. Foul number 22.
Bibigay niya na yun.
Parang binato sila doon.
Ha?
Parang binato.
Bibigay niya na yun.
Lumipat sila.
Ayun ang number. And then there's a foul committed by number 22. Second personal foul, number 22. Substitution. In the situation, ref.
Yan.
Uy! Idol! Thank you, thank you.
Next ano.
Bale. Oo.
Sabla yung unang tira ni number 13, nalapitan. Second one, wala yan. Score ng 25-23. Out of bounds. Larama, setting up. Pulls a three. In and out. One go. Rebound in number 2. Number 2. Number 2 steal. To number 0. Number 0. Binasa. Nawala ang bola. Score natin. Time. 25 seconds left. 25-23 in favor of the Blues. Number 14 setting up the play, finds number 13 in the paint, almost losing the ball, spins, floats, one ball, rebound by number 2. Number 2, 15 seconds to shoot, buzzer na lang marinig. Nico forcing the offense, number 2, wala, basket ka ang Nico, number 0, buzzer na lang marinig. Headlock tayo sa 25 in the second quarter.
Third quarter na yung ano nila.
Wala yung kulang.
Pabon. Paano mo habang nakatime na sila?
Score natin, Headlock.
Yes. Ang kulang nyo. 500.
Settle nyo na, idol. Meron pa kayong kulang 500. Ilan ba kayo? Kahit na 1-3 pa rin kasi yun, hindi magbabago.
Paano mo na? Ang oras natin, tama.
Pito kayo. Pito kayo, pito. 7.
Gano'n ka na bibigay nyo eh?
Hindi, ano mo na, kukulang.
Oo, 700, sige. Ano to?
Pang 700. 600 rin binigay sa akin kanina. 500 lang yun eh. Okay, mo yun. Okay, may tulang pa kayo ng 300 ha. Kulang pa sila. Parang tig-isang daan lang sa sila eh. 600, 700. Ito sila, tignan na sila. Takbong kabayo bro.
So number 21, setting up number 11. Deadlock na yun, nasa 25. In this third quarter, number 21, number 11. Fakes, that's number 13. Libre sa 3, short. Rebound number 2. Number 2, long pass to number 0. Number 0, that's number 72. Malakas. Rebound by number 13. Steal, number 22. Number 6. Number 6. Malakas ang tira ni number 2. Kasi number 21. Pulls a 3. In and out. Buhay ni number 23. Out of bounds. Inbound na ball.
Oh!
Inbound na ball. The number 6. Number 6, Castillo. The number 22. 4-meter jumper. Wala. Recovered ni number 2. Out of bounds. Number 8 is foul. Number 8, second personal foul. Number 6. Forcing the offense. Recovered number 2. Malakas. Kuha ni number 8. Was foul. Foul number 6. Foul number 6. Running time tayo, idol. Running time yan. 2 minutes lang sa fourth quarter yan. Mag-stop time. Number 21. Pulls a 3. Rebounds! Ang score natin 28-25. Nico forcing. Rejected! By number 8. Out of bounds lang. Bionic man. Substitution. Desquitado in. Number 22 out. Ayan na si number 30, pulls, 4-meter jumper, basket. Number 30. 27-28, baba sa isang kalamangan ng blue. Diaz, forcing. And there's a foul. Number 0 is foul. Number 0, third personal foul. Out of bounds. Wala pa ka, running time. Nico, tatlo ka na. 3 fouls ka na. Kasi number 23. Nasa number 6. Balik kay Nico. Penetrates. And shoots. Out of bounds. Blues ball. Substitution. Substitution. Lamang pa rin ang isang blue. Tumira ng 3 sa play. Out of bounds. Same ball. Possession. Number 21 inbounded the ball to number 6, Diaz. Diaz setting up, crossover. Finds number 21. Number 21 to number 11 is killed by the half court. Number 1, moving for number 9 is killed by number 21 to number 13. 4 minutes, 37. Number 13 penetrates. Voila, number 2 yan. Number 2, number 11, number 6, number 30. Number 30 penetrates. Basket, number 30. Change favor. 29-28 in favor of the yellow team. As number 6, number 30, forcing the offense. Pass number 21, hesitates, in the paint, Lothar, basket. Change favor. Up part, number 30, setting up, finds number 1, back number 30, number 6, pulls the 3, open 3, short, recover, number 11, that's number 1, pulls the 3. 1 go, recover, rebound, St. Rohan, number 11. Number 11, almost lost the ball, finds number 6, pulls the 3, Diaz, short. Nakuha ang number 11. And that is a traveling violation. Time remaining in this third quarter, 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Substitution mamaya na pang Denver. 30-29 in favor of the blue. Number 30 pulls a 3 short. Recovered, rejected. Number 2 forcing the offense. Substitution. Who's fouled? Number 13. Number 13 is fouled. Number 13, first personal foul. Number 2, sablay yung unang pag-pupuslat. Number 2, wala. Rebound number 6. Number 6, Diaz. Penetrates. And there's a foul. Foul number 2. Number 2, first personal foul. Diaz, hit the line, first bonus. Pag pumasok yung pangalawa, idol. Pag pumasok pangalawa. First one is good for Diaz. Ang score natin 31-29. Diaz, Santiago, sablay. Nakawaya na. Drop ball. Sir. And our team half court. Team half court number 30. Finds number 1, number 30. To number 1, plays a 3. Basket, number 1. Change favor. 32-31. Balik lang kailangan sa yellow. Number 21 setting up the play, finds number 7. Number 7 forcing the offense. To number 13 at the baseline. Fakes. Malakas. Ako na number 1 yan. Number 1. Number 1 setting up the play, finds number 30. Number 30. 4-meter jumper, number 16. Wala yan. Nakuha ni number 6. Diaz. Diaz. Ang panigarman ng hakbal. Wala. Nakuha ulit na. Diaz misses the layup. That is number 1. 2 minutes remaining. Yes, yes sir. Number 30. Time remaining 1 minute and 48 seconds. Umira ng press. Wala. And a steal by number 7. Number 7 and number 13. Number 13 penetrates. Kaya ko ibatak. Here is number 1. As number 30. Easy basket number 30. Time out! Isa na lang ang time out ng St. Rocco. Dalawa pa sa half part.
Dalawa.
Miko, dalawa time out nyo. Dalawa. Nag-time out na kayo? Hindi pa kayo nag-time out? Tatlo pa. Idol, isa na lang time out nyo.
Oh, dalawa time out niyo pala. Dalawa pa.
Dalawa. Tatlo pa ang time out ng half part. Dalawa pa sa St. Rocco. Blues ball. 1 minute and 20 remaining in this third quarter. Ayan na hesitates. Rejected. Same ball. Drop pass. Basket number 13. 23-36. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng yellow. Here's number 1. Goes the 3 again. Basket number 1. Early 33. That's number 21, Diaz. Diaz here, number 7. Drop pass number 13, fakes. Side step, malakas. Nakuha na ang half guard yan. Buzzer na lang maririnig. 20 seconds. 15. Number 6, wala. 10 seconds. Number 14, DC basket, number 30. 5 seconds left. Goes a and that ends the third quarter of this game. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Our score is 35-39 in favor of the yellow. Back to the ball game. Here are now the last quarter of this game. Our score is 39-35 in favor of Team Hapart. There's number 21 setting up to number 13. Number 13 to number 7 fakes. Rejected. Out of bounds. Well defended basketball by the Team Hapart. Number 8 to number 30. Number 30 pulls a 3. Short. Rebound to Miko. Wala. Recovered. Miko pa rin. Backs it in. Ang laki. Score natin, 41-35. Yan na si number 13. Forcing the offense. Basket. Ayan ang Team Hapart number 1 to number 30. Setting up, finds number 9 to number 0. Fakes, hit the paint, Nico. Lose the ball, steal by number 7. Number 7, fakes. Pass to number 21. Side step. Basket is good. Score natin, 39-41. Baba sa dalawa ang kalabangan ng yellow. Team Hapart to number 8 to number 0. Number 1, number 30, number 30. Post basket, number 30. Number 30 to number 6, Diaz. Rejected by number 2. Number 7, Sandroga, finds number 21 to number 13, fakes in the paint. Malakas ang comment. Wala pa rin, nakuha pa rin ng. Nakuha niya ng team. And a steal by number 21. Number 21. Number 21 to number 13. Number 13. And there's a foul. All number 8. Number 8, first personal foul. Basket is good for number 13. Second basket, in and out. There's number 30, setting up the play, finds number 1, back number 30, back number 30, number drop pass, number 2, number 2, nawala ang bola, nawala number 7, pass number 6, steal by number 1, pulls the 3, air ball. Running time pa tayo, idol, ha, mga idol, running time. 2 minutes tayo mag-stop time. Yan is number 7. Number 7 pulls the 3. Basket, number 7.
Deadlock na.
Deadlock tayo. 43 all. That is the number 30. Desquitado, fakes. Pass number 1. Balik kay number 0. Fakes, in the paint, penetrates. Pass number. Malakas ang pasa, out of bounds. Substitution. Deadlock tayo sa 43 all. Substitution. Pasok na. Pasok na. Pasok. Alright, number 14 inbounded about number 7. Number 7 crossing the midcourt, setting up a play. Gomez. Valdez pulls in 3. Short. Number 6, number 30. Desquitado setting up the play. Number 30, 10 seconds to shoot. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 30, number 0, basket. Enrico, score natin 45, 43. Dalawang kalamangan ng yellow, number 30, nalapitan, setting up, finds number 6. Diaz pulls a 3. Overshoots. Parts ball, number 30, crossing the midcourt against number 21. Number 30 steal, almost losing the ball. Number 30 to number, closing the offense, and there's a foul. Foul number 7. Foul number 7. First personal foul, drop pass. Nakuha ng Team Rojo yan. St. Rojo, Diaz. Diaz penetrates. Recovered. Short. Well defended basketball by the yellow. Yan na naman ang yellow team. Hampa number 30 to number 21st in the offense. Rondo, rebound by number 14. Number 13 crossing the midcourt. Penetrates. Rondo. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 2 steal. And a steal by. And there's a jump ball. Jump ball. Ang time natin ay 4 minutes and 19. 43-45. Lamang ng dalawang half-part. Si number 30, in the paint, jumps. Sabla ang tira. Number 13 in Money Round, number 7, number 21. Number 21 setting at the play, looking for another man, finds number 7. Number 7 pulls the 3. Sabla ang tira. And there's a foul committed by number 13. Substitution, number 13 foul.
Number 30, warning for technical and sportsmanlike behavior.
Number 13, warning for technical and sportsmanlike behavior. Number 13, second personal foul. Second personal foul, number 13. Ayan na si number 30 to number 20. At the sideline, forcing the offense. Won't go. Nakuha rin ng bola. Nakuha yan ni number 20. Number 20 pa rin. Substitution. Foul number 21. Wala pa rin penalty. First personal foul number 21. Number 13. 13 foul ang St. Rocco sa kanilang foul dito sa ano. Then is number 13. Penetrates. Finds number 6. Diaz. Pulls the 3. In and out. Recovered number 8. Basket. Number 8. Deadlock. 45 all. Then is number 1. Number 1 steal. And there's a foul committed by number 14. Number 14, first personal foul.
Ilan daw yung timeout dito?
Tatlo ba? Timeout niya. Tatlo ang timeout ng Haport, pero pang dalawa sa St. Rocco. Ang ating score, 45. Deadlock tayo. Number 1 to number 30. Pass number 6 hesitates. Penetrates. Wala. Nakuha ni number 30. Pass number 31. Jumper. Nakuha na number 6. Basket. Number 6. Time out. Half court. Biglang lamang ng dalawa ang St. Rocco. Game. We only have 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. 47-45 in favor of Hapart.
Yellow.
Is it number 13? Number 1. Number 1 setting up the play. Finds number 0. Number 0. Number 30. Number 30 penetrates, driving the defense. Welcome. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Alapian setting at the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass number 13. Penetrates, rejected, and there's a foul. Foul number 0. Number 0. 4. Personal foul. Warning to Broadway. Number 14, hit the line, there's bonus. Basket is made. 48-45. Number 30 in the line, first, second free throw is good. Last 2 minutes. Here is number 20. Number 20, forcing the offense, puts it on. $49-47. The yellow team are down by 2 points. Yan is number 21. Number 21 setting out, finds number 6. Number 6, number 21, back number 40. Number 40, number 21. Shot clock down to 5 seconds. Here's the three. Rebounds number 21. And is number 20 forcing the offense. Basket is good. Number 20. I'm sure that'll be 52-49. The yellow team is still down by 3 points. Yan is number 21. Pass number 26. Number 6 wala. Nakuha na number 0. Nico. Crossing the big ball. Pass number 2. Basket is good. Isa na lang ang kalamangan na St. Rocco. Malapitan. 54 seconds left. Ayun na si number 21. Number 21 to number 13. Fakes. Nakuha rin number 13 yan. Number 13 still. Looking for an open man. Pass number 21. Goes for 3.
Time out daw! Time out!
Time out.
Time out daw! Time out!
Yeah. Ayun na si number 6. 24 seconds, 55, 51. Time out, technical lang bench ng St. Rocco. Ang score natin, 55-51. Time remaining, 24 seconds left. Technical ang bench ng St. Rocco. Na-technical na kayo, idol. Na-technical kayo. We only have technical bench. Rivera, si number 30. Throwing a shot, basket is good. Number 30. 24 seconds left. 52-55 in favor of the blue. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock. Ayun na ang team of St. Joe, number 21. That is a foul. Wala pang penalty. Tigisa, foul pa.
Kabilaan.
Inbound to the ball number 40 to number 6, Diaz. Diaz still. Diaz penetrates. Penalty situation ref. Who's foul number 13. Penalty situation ref. Number 6 hit the line for his bonus. Basket, wala. Sablay ang una. St. Rico, basket is good.
Meron pa isa.
Meron pa kayong dalawang timeout. Natin isang timeout, both teams. Isa na lang timeout yung idol. Dito sa rin. We only have 17 seconds left, 56-52.
Kailangan maka 3 points sila.
Yung yellow.
Yung yellow. Eh, lamang pa rin. Lamang pa rin yung ano, isa.
Eh, pirahin na nila yun.
Ano, wala na, ubos na yung oras.
Si Migo, number 20, goes to the offense. Basket!
Oras na lang.
Penalty tayo, di ba? Penalty tayo, penalty. Basket timeout. Basket timeout. First throw, Sablay. Ang score natin 56-54 in favor of the blue. Basket timeout tayo, idol. Basket! Ano kaya ang gagawin ng half court? Tatlo ang kalamangan ng St. Rojo.
Wala yung oras. Pag nag 3 points sila, may isa pa din yung lamang pa rin. Lamang pa rin sila. Wala na oras na.
Back to the ball game. We only have 11 seconds left.
Wala nang oras.
Basket timeout tayo. Okay. 11 seconds left. Number 1. Drop pass. Number 30. Number 30. Forcing the offense. Pulls the 3. 1 go. Out of bounds. Was foul number 6.
4 seconds.
Penalty tayo. Second round, first one, Sabla.
Kaya Sen.
Centro, wala. Nakuha na, Centro. Ang ganda ng lahat ng dalawa.